Checking fundamentals of any stock is a must for any investor. But what if I tell you one metric that makes the whole process of picking any stock less daunting for you? I'm talking about PEG ratio or price to earnings ratio. This metric tells you if you are paying the right price for the stock or not. So what is the PEG ratio in stock market? How does it work? I will tell you in this episode of Finance Now. Think of PEG ratio as a smarter version of regular PE ratio. Why? Because it includes how fast a company is growing. Basically, this ratio draws a relationship between stock's PE ratio and projected earnings growth rate over a specific period. Let's understand it better with the help of an example. Assume that stock A has a PE ratio of 12 and an EPS or earnings per share growth rate of 10%. Going by PEG ratio's formula, which is PE ratio divided by EPS or earnings per share growth rate, stock A's PEG ratio would be 12 divided by 10, which will be equal to 1.2. So how can you interpret this value? Usually, PEG ratio above and below 1 is considered that the market has wrongly perceived such stock's value. In this case, the PEG ratio of stock A is above 1. It means the market has overestimated its worth in relation to its earning potential. Remember, PEG ratio gives investors an idea about a stock's actual value, like a PE ratio does, while also factoring in its growth potential. Therefore, for more fundamental analysis, the PEG ratio is crucial. But remember, the PEG ratio also depends on growth predictions, and predictions can be wrong. A company might not grow as fast as expected, which would change everything. The PEG ratio is especially useful if you are looking for growing companies but don't want to overpay. It keeps you balanced between finding good growth and paying a fair price. So do you also check a stock's PEG ratio or not? Share with us in the comment section below.